Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna try and vlog a bit at uni this week and yeah, just see what happens, so yeah, enjoy.
We will see the sun before the bottom of the bottle. Way off down the road, got a long way to go. Burning up the bitumen, got quarter mile to go. To the shindig after the show, we're gonna get on down the road. You keep coming, you keep coming, you keep coming. Last one on the bill tonight, got 45 to go. Woman got me waiting for one thing, for sure. 1850.
Woo, cows.
We are holding on to golden dreams until the dawn.
Train standing at platform 1 is for Sound Hill.
Smoke weed every day.
Welcome to Sunderland guys, it's very nice. Oh, it's Badger. I've got a friend called Badger. Yeah, I've actually got a friend called Badger. Alright guys, I'm at uni now.
Have to use other
Lucas, you alright? Do you want to shout out your channel?
No.
You don't?
No, I don't.
Yeah, but this guy, right, he actually is probably better than me at editing and cinematography in general. I'm going to put his channel in the description and you should check it out, because he's very good. That over there is Sunderland city centre. So, being a Geordie, it's a bit like, you know, like what the fuck's that thing there? It's like, that bridge is a fucking copy of a copy of a copy. Like, we copied off the Australians, and then the Mackems copied off us.
Whoa, whatever.
It's got brilliant zoom light. Like I can zoom in, I can zoom in all the way to the bridge. Like you can read what it says on the side of that bus. But
Fucking hell. Can you
but it's like it's not got that.
Let me try to do something, please.
No, he doesn't want to be in it.
Okay, okay.
I need a haircut before I'm in any footage of anything.
Fuck you.
Right.
How do you zoom in? How do you zoom
I'll blur
in?
your face out. I'll blur
Hey,
your face.
man, how do you zoom in?
So you move that like.
Wait, I'm just. No. Wait, what is that? Oh, whoa. What's up, faggot?
Come on.
Wait, I'm searching for
what's your
birds.
bird?
Oh, birds. I want to catch the birds. Wait, where are the birds? Oh my god, this is nice.
I like that.
Man, I got really nice shots for you.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
cheers.
Can I
cheers,
watch
Lucas.
them now?
Yes, you can
Okay,
watch them.
let's watch it.
Lucas is addicted to this camera, so he's
Yes,
gonna
I
do
am.
some more filming.
Okay, what should I? Oh, so good.
Filming and things before?
Alright guys,
Oh, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. No. No. Slow motion. I'm just gonna put it there. Really dramatic. No. Ba-bang. Oh man. I got epic shit. Oh. Oh man.
And you did a lot of films already?
Lucas, is this your first time holding a camera or your first time seeing birds?
it's not
First time seeing birds. We don't have birds in Lithuania, no man.
It's not great, but it does a job.
Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, man, look at this. Oh my fucking god.
The river, dude. Predict where they're going.
Oh, look at this.
Magic, it's a...
Oh, look at
Oh. Oh.
Oh, they
Oh.
swim.
Oh.
It's a rock, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
He kept on like going like past a rock and go, oh.
Lucas's new obsession is filming birds.
On the boat, there's loads of them.
Oh shit, you should throw a rock or something. What's up, birds?
Alright guys, we're watching Citizen Kane now.
Give me the camera. Give me the camera. I want to catch some birds.
No,
Please. Please.
there's no, Lucas, there's no birds as such in here.
There might be some few.
Look at them cameras. $1.5 grand this is. Right, guys, I'm leaving uni now. We've just watched a movie from, when was it? 1956. Oh God, Lucas would have an absolute heyday with this. Oh shit, man, it's a pigeon. He is. Stadium of light.
Stadium.
Look at that.
Attention, please.
Attention, please. Look at this shitty commuter train coming into
Can't
Sunderland.
even afford to build a separate railway.
I know.
line for the-
They've got 2 bridges. Oh, here's our Matty. Alright guys, thanks for watching this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.